let's start with what's your name and what do you do?
I'm Paul Beal. I'm a professor of physics and I'm chair of physics.
All right. What made you want to get into science? What made you want to start down that path?
Well, I loved science in high school and took chemistry and physics. Didn't much care for biology in high school times, but got to college and it was my first physics class in my second semester that convinced me that physics was the subject I wanted to major in. I had taken calculus and finally I saw how physics and calculus fit together in a nice coherent way, and that's what I found appealing about it.
Mm-hmm. So where did you get your undergrad, your master's?
Undergraduate at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and my PhD is from Cornell.
All right. What are you currently researching?
So currently, well, I do, the general field I work in is called statistical mechanics, and I use statistical models to describe the properties of materials. And so I'm sort of working on two projects now, one on liquid crystal phases, a particular kind of liquid crystal phase where we're developing what's called a mean field theory to describe a liquid crystal phase transition. And the other project I'm working on is developing a new class of pseudo-random number generators.
All right. And how often do you use writing in in your career?
Well, I mean, every paper is written, and so in fact, my laptop sitting there open with the draft of the paper I'm writing on pseudo-random number generators.
Mm-hmm.
And that's just in the science side. So you're having to describe what you're doing. Science is a human endeavor, and explaining your scientific ideas and thoughts to the community is a crucial step in propagating scientific knowledge. Papers are a key part of that. Public presentations are the other key place where you have the opportunity to explain your ideas and engage in scientific debate with colleagues. But I'm also chair of the department, so probably half my time is spent writing to describe the department, describing people in the department for promotion and tenure decisions, budget presentations, all sorts of things that help the department run.
Mm-hmm.
That's not the science side, but rather more of the administrative side of writing.
Mm-hmm. And, well, what's your opinion of the relationship between science and the populace?
Well, science and technology drive our modern society, and a society that's not scientifically and numerically literate is at a disadvantage. The citizens who can't engage in that discourse are sort of left out. They're unable to access the kinds of jobs and careers that scientifically literate populace can. So not everyone needs to be a scientist, but if you're going to be able to engage in being an educated citizen, science is part of the knowledge base that help you be that educated citizen.